Guys, welcome back to Hobby Corner. I'm back with a new video, and this video is about the question which says if December 6, 2018 is Friday, then which day of the week would be Jan 19, 1953? So after listening to this question for the first time, a doubt arose in my mind that Jan 19, 1953. The day can be found by the formula we have used in our previous video. To consult my previous video, you can go to the description box. I'll place the link below. So we can use the previous formula and find out the day for this date. Fine. Then why is this condition mentioned here? That December 6, 2018 is Friday when there is no use of it. Yes, actually, let us go deep into this question. December 6th, 2018. Right? First, let us find the day for this December 6, 2018. So, our first date was December 6th, 2018. In this, we have two sections. First, the given day for the date is Friday. Yes? Then, let us find the actual date to which it belongs. First, day code, month code, 2000 is 017 plus 4, right? And is 2018 a leap year? No. So the sum is 11, 15, 20, 32. So when we divide 32 by 7, we get the remainder 3. Oops, 4. If the remainder is 4, then the day would be Thursday. So the actual day for December 6, 2018 is Thursday. But the given day is Friday, which means that Thursday plus 1 is Friday. Now, I think you have understood the logic. The wrong day is given and we are asked to find the respective wrong day for Jan 19, 1953. So, let us apply the same logic in Jan 19, 1953. So, here Jan 19, 1953. Let us find the day code. When we get the day, if we add plus 1, that would be our answer. Very simple. This is the first method to solve the question. 19 plus 0 plus 1 plus 52 plus number of leap years is 52 by 4. 4 ones, 4 threes, so 13 leap years. And 53 is not a leap year, so 0. Sum it up and divide by 7. 20, 33, 85. 85 by 7 is 12 and the remainder is 1. Okay. When the remainder is 1, the day would be Monday. But as per our question, the wrong date which should be the answer is the actual day plus 1. So the answer is Tuesday. Right? This is the first method to solve this question. And the second method is very simple, and the only step to do is write the given date down where the date is mentioned as well as the day is mentioned. It is December 6th, 2018, which is Friday. Now mention the date which needs to find its day. So it is Jan 19, 1953. Yes. Now we are going to subtract this from this. Jan month code is 0. December month code is 5. So minus plus. 0 minus 5 is minus 5. 19 minus 6 is plus 13. And here it's minus 47 plus 18 is 65. So plus Friday. But here we need to understand that there are some more odd days for the number of leap years present between 2018 to 1953. Okay. So the leap years are for 65 years. How many leap years we have? 16 leap years. So we'll minus 16. The only logic is because we are going from front to back, means the day of present is known and the past should be known. So minus whatever symbol you get here should be used while adding or subtracting the leap years. So Friday minus 70 minus 86 plus 13. So it is Friday minus 73. Now you can divide 73 by 7 so that the weeks get removed and the odd days are left out. So it can be Friday minus 73 by 7, and we need to write reminder. So Friday minus 3. Here the easy way to find the day when it goes back is add plus 7, or else you can normally find it Friday minus 3 is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, or else Friday plus 4 is 5 plus 4 9, which is 2, that is Tuesday. Anything results in the same. So our answer is Tuesday. We have found both the methods in solving the given question, and our answer resulted in the same, that is Tuesday. Thank you guys for watching my video. For more interesting videos on calendars or any other math topic, you can subscribe my channel and press bell icon for further videos. And please don't forget to comment on my video and give feedback to this tiny YouTuber. Thank you.